Alright, welcome back to Lumber Kitchen. The recipe for today, we're going to have some salt mackerel rundown. So I'm going to show you how I prepare my salt mackerel rundown. I'll have the ingredients I use. So first panel is I have scallion, hot pepper, sweet pepper, tomato, onion. I go have some garlic. Alright, we have some caramel flour. So you call it caramel dumpling. And see salt mackerel there. So we're going to scald off the salt mackerel about 5 minutes. I know it's salt night, so you have to scald off some of the salt to you want it. We're going to have some coconut otherwise. And seafood kind of wrap some banana, ripe plantain, sweet potato, cocoa, and we have some white yam here. So please to watch the video to the end. Subscribe, like and share and comment. Yeah, the recipe for today, make some salt mackerel rundown. So this is Lumber Kitchen. So we're going to, I don't know, yeah, I'll start the bar there roll now. Okay, like this. So please watch the video to the end. Subscribe, like and share and comment. So we're going to make salt mackerel rundown. So the recipe went nice, delicious. So Lumber Kitchen, yeah. Yeah, see the mackerel, so I'm scald it off for 7 minutes. You don't know salt, so you have to scald off the salt off for what you want it, you know. Right? Yeah. So remember say a salt mackerel rundown, you know. Yeah, remember the salt mackerel rundown, you know. So subscribe, like and share. Yeah, see mackerel, 1 pound of mackerel still enough, so you don't know. Yeah. So come here and make fashion, you know. And start mackerel run down, you know. Yeah. You can this simmer down now. So you put the coconut juice now, you see? You see it rich? Alright. Go and simmer down first. Alright. Yeah man. Run down here go nice man. Delicious. I love that cooking, you know. Subscribe, like and share. Yeah man. You run down, go and simmer down, you know. Lock it, make it go and simmer, you know. Alright. Yeah man, I'll keep out for this night, you know. Yeah. Yeah, see the man there, I said go and go down man. So that man can run down go nice, you know. You see boiled food there. Yeah man. Alright. Remember that cooking, you know, so subscribe, like and share. Yeah, see there? Food presentable in the pot, yeah man. Delicious, you know? Yeah man. So that man can run down ready and now. Yeah, let's share. Salt mackerel rundown, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, lumberjack dinner ready, you know? Yeah, man. Salt mackerel rundown, presentable in a plate. So please subscribe, like and share and comment.